What up, y'all? I'm Steve with 7th Floor Vapes, and I'm here to talk today about the Wax Maxer Portable Vaporizer Pen. It is the ultimate connoisseur vape pen. So what we got here is, this is what the outside looks like, and this is the Wax Maxer vape pen top. This is the Wax Maxer vape pen battery, and this is the Wax Maxer vape pen mod. So what we got here is, it's basically 4 parts, 3 parts mainly. This is your heater along with your adapter. So it is actually 2 parts, so if your heater goes out, this is what you use. This is the piece that goes into a 510 thread, and then that screws into that. And then you have your top portion right here, and inside of this, there are absolutely no holes in this thing. That's what makes this so great. It won't leak out the bottom. So there's no holes in here, no holes in here. How do you get the air in there? Because all the competition sucks through the bottom. Well, that is not how we do it. So what we have here is, this has the Turbulator built into it. So it works exactly like a carb cap does. It allows the air to come in, hit the oils, and then bring those oils up off the ceramic heating element. That way you get the ultimate flavor from your vape. So this thing right here will screw on right onto there. And then the really cool thing right here is, this is a little dab tool. This is built into it, and that goes right into there. So when you pair it up with this battery right here, this battery, what I really like about this is, it does have a little storage container in the bottom. So when you go out, fill this up, take this with you, have this thing fully charged, and you can easily go a whole 2 days camping, more than likely a little bit longer. And that's even using it quite a lot. The ceramic heater uses plenty of heat, but not so much power. And the battery has plenty of power in there. Combined together, it lasts a really long time. So how does this thing work? On the vape, on the mod, it works perfectly fine. And if you already have a mod, then all you need is this top portion to screw right on. The big thing is, we do not recommend taking this over 10 watts. You can go higher, but there is a risk that you will overheat that ceramic heating element, therefore causing it to crack and break. If you do that, that is your fault, not my fault. I'm warning you right now, don't do it. Although you can take it much higher if you have plenty of wax or oil in there. That helps keep the ceramic heating element temperature down so it doesn't overheat. But don't risk that. Just go ahead, operate it at 10 watts, and then you're going to get some great vape out of it. Again, mass micro hits is where it's at. Your body can only absorb so much, so nice small flavorful vapes are where it's at. So we'll go ahead and take this off. This is my used one right here, and I already have a little bit in there, but it is time for a re-up. So I'm going to go ahead and take that out. I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit right here. And I'm going kind of big piece right there. That's going to load me up for the day. Load that up into there. Close this up. Push this on. And there is a small reservoir in the bottom. The heater is actually, I don't know, like a 1/2 millimeter above the bottom of the ceramic dish in there. And that keeps it so all your heat doesn't get sucked into the rest of the ceramic area, and it keeps that heater right above there, so it's really efficient. If it was to actually touch it, all the heat would just suck out from thermal dynamics. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on 5 times, turns this on, and then you screw it on. And then you just press and hold it. I like to press and hold it for about 2 seconds so it heats up a little bit, and then inhale. So you're going to get a nice vapor hit like that. And this thing is designed to run around 10 watts. So you're always going to get nice flavorful hits from this. And after 10 seconds, this thing will go ahead and shut off. So if you got to take really long hits, you're going to press it again. So if you want to take long hits, go ahead and press that. And if you just release it and press it again, it starts the timer over, so you could just inhale and inhale and inhale. If you want to really fine tune your vapor, actually run it at like 9 or 8 and get some really, really flavorful, yummy hits. That's a great thing about the mod. As well as if you wanted, some people like bigger hits out of there, which is not my forte. I must have put this battery in upside down, which is okay. Let's turn that thing right side up. There we go. So you got to make sure that's right. That's one thing right there. This is positive. This is negative. Therefore, goes right upside down. And these batteries do not have a nipple on the top, so they're nippleless batteries. They're also called flat tops. So this one I'm going to crank it to 10. Again, that's where I really like it. Press it. So that's good. And then you can run this up on this. I'll show you. You're going to take it up to, we'll go up to 14. Again, I do not recommend this at all. Do not do this unless you're taking the risk. I'm going to take the risk. So you can see your hit's a little bit bigger. And you can take this up. If you ever want to take it up, you got to really look in there. So there's plenty of wax in there. It's got the heaters fully covered, so you could take this up. So again, I do not recommend this. Do not do it. But we're going to take it up there, and that's going to give a pretty powerful hit. Another thing people like to do to kind of take in a real smooth hit is kind of half breathe in your vapor through this and then half breathe in through your mouth. So you can do. That's going to give you a really light hit, a little smaller exhale, but your body's really going to be able to absorb that. So that's pretty much about the Wax Maxer. If you guys got any questions, go find us in our fact page. Hit the question button. Let me know what your questions are, and we'll get your answers right away as soon as we possibly can. But that's how you use this amazing Connoisseur style concentrate vape pen. Check it out at ElevateGlassGallery.com. They got all kinds of dope glass right there that you can get to add onto this. We even got a really cool thing that you can hook onto this thing and hook it up to any rig. So it's really, really dope. Anyways, thanks. Peace out, y'all.